Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Valerie, and if you're not new, welcome back. And this is Unpolished. On my channel you see a whole bunch of different things, so if you haven't seen the video that I just posted, you guys can see that one. It tells you kind of what about my channel and everything like that, so yeah, get that out of the way. My lighting might change because I got the sun and I got the clouds and I got the light and I got the, you know, everything's changing. So yeah, I am going to do a most recent haul. Everything is pretty much from Ulta other than a few things. There's a couple things that are not from Ulta, and I'll let you guys know in the video. Alright, the first thing that I have is the Master Holographic by Face Studio Maybelline New York, and this is a highlighter in the shade Master Holographic, I believe. 050 is what it says on the back. This is what it looks like. It looks white. It does look white. Right there. So yeah, love it. I have it on my cheeks today mixed with the, what else do I have it mixed with? The Milani Afterglow. That's what I have it mixed with, so that's what's on my highlight today. So yeah, that's one of the first things that I got. The next thing that I got were these two NYX glitters. They're new. The NYX glitter Pilettes. I don't know. This one is in Beauty Beam. You can't see it, but it's on my eyes today. And this one is in Lumi Light. So it's kind of like a white with a pinky green shift. And this one is a rose gold with like a green white shift to it. Really pretty. I love them. I love the pink one, the Beauty Beam. That's what I have on today. The next thing I got was another Voluminous Lash Paradise. I'm actually wearing that today because I ran out and I had the what's it called? The waterproof one, and the waterproof one, do not bother getting it because it's just not worth it. I find that it's very clumping and very wet, whereas the original is just perfectly fine. The next one that I have, the next two items that I got were the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer and Contour. I got two of them because I didn't know which shade I would want, so I got C1 and C2. This one is C1. That's C1, and I will put C2. C2's over here. So there's not really much of a shade difference. This is C1 and that's C2. So the next thing I got was the NYX That's the Point Hella Fine eyeliner. This is my holy grail, beyond holy grail eyeliner. I love that eyeliner. It does so good. I'm just saying, I love it. If you need an eyeliner that's like teeny tiny and sharp and perfect, that's the one. Get that one. The next thing is Buxom had a sale on their full size, what are they? Wildly Whipped Soft Matte Lip Colors, and what I'm wearing today is Centerfold. I have a sample of this one and I love it, so I had to get the full size. So I got it because it's so pretty. That is the color right there. The next thing that I got was at, where was it? Either Marshalls or TJ Maxx. I'm pretty sure it was TJ Maxx, and it's the Anastasia Glow Kit Aurora. And I've used it. It's alright. I mean, it's alright. It's alright. I know what kind of highlighters I like. This isn't the kind I like. So then I took a trip to Ulta yet again because I can't keep my butt out of there. Once I start, can't stop. And I got a few items for hair care. That's why my hair looks finally done once in a video. I got a teasing comb because I needed a teasing comb. I actually got another comb, but my daughter touched it because she can't keep her hands off my stuff. And I got the Detangler Smooth and Shine brush. It has like very short thick bristles like in it, so it's nice, but sometimes it hurts. Just like sometimes it hurts. And then the last thing that I got was the Beach Waver S1, and that's how I got these curls today, just so you know. I am super excited. I was debating on getting a Time, it's T-Y-M-E, hair straightener curler in one, and then I read a whole bunch of reviews and everyone's just like, meh, meh, meh. What you can do with that, you could do with a straightener, and if it's the same exact technique as I would with a straightener, then I might as well just use my straightener. But I wanted a curling wand to give me curls, you know, give me something. And this one, I used it. Oh my god, where has this been in my life? I needed this. I really did. So I'm so happy that I got it, and I'm just so happy with everything that I've recently gotten. I had to share it with you guys because, you know, a girl's gotta show you guys. You know, you can't just be like, oh well, I got stuff, but I didn't show you guys. So I had to tell you guys. That's why we're here. Okay? I'm sorry that my lighting is completely jacked. I can actually see like the sun going in and out of the clouds right now. That's how bad the lighting is. So yeah, beginning of the video was really good. Now it's just garbage. But anyways, that's kind of what to expect here on Unpolished. If you're new, please go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you here. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. What are your recent purchases? I would love to know some recent things that you've gotten and if you're loving them. Until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye!